I made over $15,356 with this one affiliate link. And for a long time before that, I made the same mistake almost everyone in the space makes. I kept adding more products, more platforms, more links, because that's what scaling looked like to me. More offers meant more chances to win. And let me tell you what happened. Nothing. Absolutely nothing until I did this one stupidly simple thing that completely changed the way I look at affiliate marketing. So take a look at this. Notice anything unusual about this account? Go ahead and look for a second before I tell you. There's only one link, not 50 links, not a dashboard full of products I'm juggling, not 12 half-built funnels, not a spreadsheet of offers I'm rotating through hoping something sticks. One product, one link, that's the entire account. And that's not a flex. That's the actual point of this whole video. Because everything I thought about this business was backwards. I believed more products meant more chances to win, and what I was really doing was taking the same amount of effort I had and slicing it into 10 pieces so thin that none of them ever got done properly. Depth on one well-chosen product beats spreading yourself thin across a bunch of them. And I don't mean that as a nice motivational idea. I mean it made the difference between nothing happening for months and the number you just saw on the screen. But here's the thing that most people get backwards. They think more products means more chances to win. It's actually the opposite. And the next part will show you exactly why that's the case. So let me take you through the actual research live and show you the real reason this specific product got picked over everything else I looked at. All right, so you can see on the screen right here, $15,356 right here in total paid commissions from one software that I promoted. You can see the traffic right over here as well. 263 people purchased the product and many of them were reoccurring commissions. So I got paid every single month that they maintained being a subscriber to the tool. We had 483 referrals. That means that about half of the customers came in and they signed up for a free account. About half of them signed up for a paid account. With only 1,587 clicks. This is free organic laser targeted buyer traffic, by the way. In order to get 1,500 clicks on Facebook ads or anything like that, I mean, this would cost an arm and a leg for sure. The 30% reoccurring commission, that's really, really solid. I really like 30% or more, 30 to 40%, especially on a reoccurring basis, is very motivational as an affiliate to continue to create content. I also had a 25% discount coupon that will definitely entice your customers to make a purchase because they're saving quite a bit of money right there, actually. If they buy a $100 plan, they're only going to have to pay $75 for it. So it's actually a pretty decent sized money. We have our coupon that I share in my YouTube description links right next to the affiliate link. And then you can see right over here, one affiliate link right here, one affiliate link that did all the magic and made that kind of money. So you're probably wondering, like, how did I find this product, right? And so I'm going to show you that real quick. So there's a lot of different sites that you can go that curate. They're like basically an AI tool database, and they share all the latest tools that come out. Futurepedia is one that I use, but there's an AI tool for that. There's a bunch of different other tools that are like this. So find one that you like. I'm going to use Futurepedia because this is the one that I actually used when I first got started a couple of years ago with this exact method and strategy that I'm actually showing you, right? So you're on Futurepedia, they get, 548,000, so over 500,000 visitors to their site per month. So just them alone, they're bringing traffic to people coming over here and taking a look at all their tools. Now, what I like is that they curate all these tools for you, right? And I like to come through here and find some different topics that are like categories of tools. And that's what I recommend, is not spreading yourself thin and doing all these. Just pick a couple, like 1, 2, or 3 that you're interested in, because then it's going to capture your interest. It's going to come out in your content when you create it as well. But what I've made a lot of money from was AI writers. So writing generators right here. So I'm going to click on that. And then what we'll do is, now remember, this was a couple of years ago. SEO writing AI was new a few years ago, 3 years ago. And so you want to find a new tool that's high quality, that has a good commission payout, reoccurring commission structure. And then you want to go, and I'm going to show you, you're going to want to purchase the product. So you're going to scroll down here. So they have 145 in here. Now it looks like they've kind of dove back or stepped back on, like, they're not, this could be thousands right here, but they're only putting in quality tools, in my opinion. And so they're not just adding every single tool that comes out on the market. So you can go through trending, popular, and new. Now, I like to go and just show you the strategy that you're going to want to go to a new, and you're going to want to look at these different softwares, and you're going to want to go through the steps I'm going to show you in just a minute. But when you click on there, you're going to want to go and see how much traffic they're getting to their site. That's going to help with how much interest there's going to be. And then like the one that stands out right on the new page right now is this one right here, because there's 4 bookmarks right here. Nova AI app. This might be something worth looking at because it has 4 times the amount of bookmarks than any of the other ones on this page. But when we come back over here to popular, you'll see that they have, I don't really go off of reviews because there's not a lot of people putting the reviews or ratings on Futurepedia, but they do put bookmarks. This means this just straight up says this is what people are interested in right here. So the bookmarks are huge right there. So I'm going to come through here, and I think it's on page 4. I'm going to show you real quick. And here is page 4. And we're going to come down here, and you can see here's SEO Writing AI. And so what you're going to do is you're going to want to, they have 52 bookmarks, 1-star, 5-star rating. You're going to go click on that. It's going to open it up, and here's the home page, and you're going to go and look at it, right? So they've got all the accolades right here, the social proof right here, 4.9 star rating on WordPress, 4.6 star rating on G2, and Capterra 4.8 stars. So they've got already showing proof that their tool is awesome. I like to go and evaluate this with this tool called SimilarWeb, and they have almost 100,000 visitors going to their site per month. So there's enough traffic there, there's enough interest. And then what I finally do is I go and look at a couple different things. So one, you're going to want to look and go to the very bottom of the page, and sometimes it's at the top of the page. Come over here and you can see earn the 30% lifetime commission as an affiliate. You're going to go click on this. You're going to get more information, and you're going to sign up as an affiliate. But what I recommend before doing this is to click on the pricing page, right? You're going to go to the pricing page. And if you've got to get the tool, even the lowest plan, $14 a month, go pick that plan up. Now, if you only want to do it for build monthly, $19 a month, you're running an online business. You need to be serious about your business enough. You're not willing to spend $19 on this tool for the next month to create a library of videos, a stack of videos that are going to go out there and work for you for that one affiliate link. They're going to start making you money every single month. And imagine when you start getting sales, they're reoccurring commissions. You're going to continue to get paid off of that customer as well. And guess what? It's a quality tool that they need in their business. So they're probably going to keep the tool for quite a bit, right? For quite a long time. You're going to continue. So you only have to make the sale one time, and you continue to get paid for it. So that's another secret to making this kind of money right over here. So like I said, you've got to go in and at least get one of the plans right here so you can actually show the actual tool and all the pro features and everything. Because if you're not willing to have a paid account, then how can you expect other people to buy through your link, right? You won't build that credibility that's required as a top affiliate if you don't have the tool in hand. So make sure that you are serious about your business, that you go and purchase the product, and instead of going and purchase 10, 20 products per month, you're only going to do it for this one product. You're going to buy this product right here. You're going to go create several videos on that. Okay. And then just to show you, if you type in SEO Writing AI review right here, you'll see that if I scroll down here, you'll actually see, okay, so right there, somebody else shows up for that. A minute ago, I was ranked at the top. Usually top channels for this term, I was number 3 a second ago. I'm number 4. So see how it says you? This is one of my other channels, LearnWire. So I'm still ranked right here in the top out of all these channels that are creating all this content right over here. And it's kind of crazy. We scroll down here. There's somebody that stole my content right over here, 21 views. This is not my channel. Someone ripped my entire video off, which is sad, but I could go and message them and everything or report them and take it down. But I already know that they're not going to make sales from this. People are not going to be buying from there. They only got 21 views. And let me show you my videos. So here's one right over here that I did. 2.7 thousand views a year ago. And then we come down here and we find another video of mine further down. The big heavy hitter that made me most of that money is this video right here. 12,000 views 2 years ago, 12,000 views, right? And then there is my affiliate link. Here's my LearnWire 25% off right there. So for the longest time, I was actually ranked at the top. Now let's go and type in the way that I had that in my title, SEO Writing AI review. Some people will type it like this and we'll see if I'm ranked further up. Yeah, well, I'm ranked a little bit higher up right there. But as you can see, people really, really got their hands on this software as an affiliate, and they started making content like crazy. But I'm still one of the top people that created content on this. And you can see the proof right here, $15,356 from those videos, mostly from that one video that got 12,000 views. So that's how I pick out high quality products. So that's why this product was chosen specifically, not a generic checklist, a real decision with a real reason behind it. Now here's where most people mess up the next part. They take the product and they make the video about the product. And that's not what actually converts. So let me show you exactly what that video looked like and how it was built. All right, so here's ebook writer AI review. We're ranked number 1 for it. We got almost 8,000 views. I want to open this up and show you the video so you can actually see that, like, I'm not on camera. You don't have to be on camera to get 8,000 views. You don't have to have a scripted video. You don't have to do anything fancy, right? I'm going to show you right over here. We've got our affiliate link that made us all that money. We can come through here and we can look. We got 109 comments on this, by the way. This was really, really an awesome video on my channel. So you got just a bunch of stuff. And I told people to write turkey if they watch the entire review. So that's where, if you're seeing the word turkey right here, that's because people loved the review, great review, and I got a bunch of engagement. So really huge video. But look right here, I'm not on camera. I'm just showing the product. I'm showing the guy's vendor page. Anybody can do this, guys. And come through here and you can just see right over here, and we'll come through here and just show you. I'll just show you the whole video. I'm not on camera at all. And that's how we actually make our videos. There's all kinds of different screen recording softwares. I'm using this software called Tela.tv. And that is a software that you can record just your screen if you want to, or you can have your webcam in it and place it anywhere in the video that you want. It will create the layouts and the scenes for you automatically, almost as if you are a professional video editor. And then you can do your editing and it will remove all the filler words, all the silences in your video. It's an all-in-one workflow. And that's how I do my content. And that's why I'm able to create hundreds of videos. And over the last 5 years doing this full time on multiple channels, I've created an estimated 3,000 to 4,000 videos myself, not using AI. And so you absolutely can do this. This is how I make my videos, guys. That's the entire piece of content. Simple tutorial style, not on camera, answering one specific search, and it works for exactly that reason. Not production value, not personality, not because I have some following pushing it. It works because somebody typed that question in and my video was the thing sitting there answering it. So that's the whole process on paper, but a process on paper doesn't mean anything until you see the real number. So here it is. $15,356. And I want to be honest with you about how that actually happened, because it did not arrive all at once. There was no single day where 15 grand showed up and it stacked, right? A little at first, then steadily, then in a way I could actually count on it month after month from the same video answering the same search for people who found it long after I published it. That's the part that took me way too long to understand. I wasn't building a payday, I was building something that kept paying. Now I know exactly what some of you are thinking right now. That was a fluke, lucky product, right place, right time, and it just happened to hit. So what if I showed you another one? Same exact formula, different product entirely. Take a look at this. All right, so I've just logged into Warrior Plus and I'm gonna show you. So I just actually went to all time at the biggest seller software from Warrior Plus that I've ever made from one product was $17,578. You can see that right here, $17,578 with a 38% conversion rate right here, 746 sales with less than 2,000. That is ridiculous numbers right there. Less than 2,000 visitors to my affiliate link, right? And we made 746 sales. So really, really good money. This is perhaps even a more impressive example than the first one that I shared with you. And this is in another niche. This is ebook writer AI. This is in the Amazon KDP books niche. And you can even see right up here while recording this video right here that Amazon is keeping your buyers 72%. Like they're still talking about Amazon KDP, buying books, all that. So this is another different like category of tools, right? It's a type of AI writing tool, but it's specific for, and you can see right here, Neri Creator. This is a coloring book software. I made $6,000 from that as well. Now, just look at this one, ebook writer AI. Now we could do a bunch of examples, and I'll show you how I ranked the video and all that stuff like that. But this particular one, ebook writer AI, we come back over here into YouTube, we type in ebook writer AI review, and you can see this is a really good example. We are ranked number 1. We got 7,600 views, and this was just a year ago right there. And you can see that we are in the top channels right over here, number 2 top channel. This person probably didn't make content on the actual tool. This person probably just, because they have 400,000 or they have a bunch of, actually, no, I don't know who that is actually, Brian Moran. But either way, we are ranked up there. We're ranked above even the guy that made the tool right over here. We're ranked number 1. Then we're ranked number 3 right here. Then we're ranked over here. And this is what I talk about, is building series around product names. And here's one of my students right over here actually doing exactly what I am showing you right now. Look, they got 430 views right here. They have proof inside of my school community that they made 5 sales from this video right over here. And so this stuff just straight up works, guys. But this is how I'm ranking. This is the views right here, the one affiliate link. We can go click on this right here, and you can see that there'll be an affiliate link in here. And I'm actually doing myself a little disservice by this. I don't do this anymore. I don't put a big giant paragraph like that anymore. But here's the Warrior Plus link right there. And that's what has led to the $17,578 right there. Same approach, start to finish, same kind of research, same reasoning behind picking it, same simple tutorial style video answering one specific search, same single link. Different product, different niche, and there's the result. I'm not showing you that to brag about a second number. I'm showing it to you because that's the difference between something that worked once and something that works. And you can't tell those two apart from one example. So that's 2 different products, same formula, same result, which brings up the obvious question. Why does one actually beat 10? Here's the simplest way I know how to explain it. It's the difference between drilling one well straight down versus digging 50 shallow holes across the field. One of those finds water. The other one just leaves you exhausted, covered in dirt, and no closer to anything than when you started. And for years, I was the guy with 50 shallow holes wondering why the ground was so dry. But knowing you only need one product and actually believing you could pull this off yourself are 2 completely different things. So let me handle the 3 doubts that are probably sitting in your head right now because they were sitting in mine. Isn't it too risky to only focus on one product? It's actually the opposite of risky. Spreading yourself across 10 half-researched products means none of them ever get done properly. That's not diversification. That's 10 different ways to be mediocre. One product researched properly and done right beats 10 halfway every single time. I don't have any experience picking a product like this. Neither did I on the first one. That research process you just watched is exactly how you get this experience. It's not something you're supposed to have before you start. You build it doing it once, right? You build it by actually trying it out and doing it. How long did this actually take you to build? I'm not going to tell you it happened overnight because it didn't. That number built over months, not days, and the early part of it was slow enough that I questioned whether it was working at all. But here's what actually matters. The work itself was front-loaded. The research and the video were done once. Everything after that was the video doing its job without me. Now, I showed you that second product working in a completely different niche, right? And that's the part I glossed over because the niche you pick is what decides whether one link like this is even possible for you. Some niches will never support this no matter how good your niche is and how well you make the video. There's just no money underneath them. So watch this next video where I break this down for you, the 5 most profitable affiliate niches right now. Because before you drill one well straight down, you'd better be standing somewhere there's actually water. And this exact formula, the research, the content structure, all of it, is exactly what I teach you inside my community. Link in the description below if you want to go deeper. I'll see you in the next one.